Good morning, everyone. It is a Sunday morning. The big man and I have fully moved into our new place, and we are taking an easy park walk this morning, and we welcome everyone. Ooh. Let's start the walk off with a little hustle. Baseball field here. There's one down there. We are at one of our local parks. We are going to start our new adventures on the trails tomorrow, but we thought we'd wrap up this busy week for us with a nice, slow, easy morning walk. It's a beautiful morning in San Diego. It's going to be a nice day. In fact, it's going to be a nice week. Perfect for hikes. Big man? Yeah. He's had a rough week adjusting, but he's a good boy. Come on, pal. This is one of our local parks that we really like coming to. We come here at least 4 or 5 times a week. It's very large, and there's always events happening, but plenty of space for everyone. If it's not a soccer game, it's a baseball game. If it's not a baseball game, it's a camp or a clinic. There's a school on that other side of us, and come on, pal. We do have a lot more space and a lot more outdoor room in our new place, which is great for the big man. He's been taking advantage of sunbathing and getting used to his new surroundings. He's doing great. Really appreciate the helpful comments that we got. So thank you for those. All right, big man, let's move it a little bit. Okay, come on, big fella. Come on, big fella. There he comes. There's a main road over here. You can see some cars going by. Not too busy, not too loud. There's some trails up there. First I tripped over them, then they got away from me. Some exfoliation, of course. Get it, buddy. Yeah. A walk would not be a walk without some exfoliation for the big man. Should we keep it going, Smelzer? This is a good one, buddy. Come on, pal. Let's go. Let's go. So we do mostly trail walks and nature walks. Whoops, sorry, buddy. But sometimes we get cars. Sometimes we have urban living. Me and the big man. Ooh, good balance, buddy. Excellent balance, pal. There's a path up here and a trail up top, which is super cool. We've been up there tons of times. With the big man, I like to give him familiar walks like this one. Parks we like. Buddy? And new trails, new parks, new smells. So we usually go on about one of each per day. We try to get a new smell and a new walk in, or a new trail in, or one we haven't been to in a while, and then our local parks for familiarity. We find that's a good formula. Come on, buddy. And there's the big man. Have a seat, buddy. It's been a long week. Huh, pal? You feeling pretty good, though? Want to hang out in the shade? All right, guys, I think we're just going to hang out in the shade for a little bit. Stick to the side path, but we appreciate you coming with us. And thank you again for your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, leave a like and a comment. And we are very appreciative you joined us. Want to say goodbye, big fella? Yeah, he's a man of few words.